I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. With warmer temperatures, folks are breaking out shorts and t-shirts this weekend. These warmer temperatures mean pest problems are not far away. A map of alfalfa weevil heat units through Tuesday shows that heat units in the south had reached 100, the red areas. Scouting for alfalfa weevil should begin once 150 heat units are reached. Bernieville had hit 122 by February 12th. The heat units for wheat first hollow stem will add up quickly. As of Wednesday, locations near Ardmore and Idabel have reached the stage to check for wheat first hollow stem. Those green or brighter colors on the map. Only 4 counties had active burn bans: Alfalfa, Grady, Jefferson, and Tillman as of February 12th. Early February brought us a long stretch of cold weather. The Cattle Comfort Index for Hinton since January 1st shows that while there has been several times when the Cattle Comfort Index dropped below zero during January, they were brief and sandwiched between index values above 25 degrees. For the 12 days from January 31st to February 12th, the Cattle Comfort Index for Hinton never went above 25 and got down close to minus 20. It's great to bask in warm temperatures again. Here's Gary with more on this winter's cold.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your week so far. And as we look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map, we see it really is the same as what we've seen over the last few months, with the western half of the state in moderate to severe to extreme to exceptional drought down in southwestern Oklahoma. So as the snow melts, we might see some benefits from that, and then we'll go from there with next week's map, and then we can see if we have any improvements. This winter has seen more hours below freezing than the November through April periods of the previous 2 winters. Now, as we look at the map, we see Hooker has had the most hours below freezing at over 1,300, and Nowata has had the lowest temperature so far this winter at minus 12 degrees. Now let's go back a couple of years and we compare that to this period that we've just had, and we can see most of the state stayed below 700 hours below freezing, even though it was an entire 6 months. Kenton had the lowest temperature at minus 6 degrees, and if you take a look down there in southeastern Oklahoma, Durant spent only 179 hours below freezing that winter, actually that entire November through April period. And this year they've already had 719 hours below freezing, so vastly different winter this year than what we saw 2 years ago. And then as we look at the map for 2012-2013, that November through April period, we can see much a similar picture as we saw in 2011-2012. So it does look like the rest of February might be above normal in temperature, or at least closer to normal. So different than what we've seen over the last couple of months. But I'm afraid with March and April staring us in the face, we might have a bit more winter left to go. So let's not count winter out just yet. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.